Morning. I've got the CNC Shield version 4, which is made for a NANO, and we've got to install everything on this. Now what's interesting is I ordered the CNC version 3. It did not come with the jumpers for the microstepping installed, but the version 4 did. Who knows? Okay, the first thing you have to do is install the NANO, and it goes in this way. How do I know it goes in this way? Well, I found D13, turned it over, and there's D13. So that tells me I've got the right orientation. And those headers are just a little tiny bit out of line. Actually need to be spread just a tiny bit. If I have a choice between bending these pins and bending the headers, I'll be bending the headers. These don't want to bend. I think they bent just enough that I get that in. I need resistance somewhere. That usually means a pin's misaligned, but there, that was a bit of a force fit. One thing I don't like about the Nanos is they use that old-fashioned mini USB. I've only got a few of those. Okay, so now I need to install the stepper motor drivers. So I'll take one of those, and I'll look on the back and find the EN pin right there. So I'll take that, and I'll see if I can't find the EN pin. And I can't. How am I going to find the correct orientation for this? Well, if I turn it over and I look at the jumpers for microstepping, they go over to this corner. I get a CNC 3, which does label the EN pin, which is right there. I look at this, I see the EN pin is by these 3 pins that go to the microstepping jumpers. So I go back to the board and I find the EN pin and 3 jumpers to the microsteppers. So that seems to be fairly consistent across the 2 of them. So we're going to try that orientation. So the EN pin is right there. There's the EN pin, so it would go in this way. So I'll put all 3 of them in. Use the same orientation. And I see that the EN pin is the same place on all 3 by looking at the back. So here's one put together, and there's the EN pin on these. Okay, so here's the 2 compared. The EN pin is right here, and the EN pin is right there. So they go in that way. The potentiometer to adjust the voltage is on this side on this one, and it's on this side on this one. So they're the reverse orientation to get them in correctly. So you want to be careful and pay attention to that. So we need some heat sinks. We'll peel the tabs off and put them on. There we go. There's 2. And here's 3. Okay, so pretty happy with that. I've got to supply power here. Oh, 12 volts. Max in 12 volts. So there we go. All of the connections. Need to attach our stepper motors. And we still have some pins we can work with. We can put a display here. Lots of options here. So there you go. That's how to put that together and get it ready to go. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.